Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to reset your USCIS account password in 2026. If you forgot your login details or can't sign in, don't worry. This is a quick fix, yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you're on the real site to keep your account secure. Now click on the Sign In option at the top of the page. This will take you to the login screen. Next, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This is what starts the password reset process. Now enter the email address linked to your USCIS account. Make sure it's the correct one, because that's where the reset instructions will be sent. After that, click Submit or Continue. You'll receive an email with a password reset link. Go to your inbox and open the email from USCIS. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Now click the reset link inside the email. It will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Next, type a strong new password and confirm it. Try to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once done, save your changes and go back to the login page. Now you can sign in with your new password. And that's it. Your USCIS password has been reset successfully and your account is ready to use again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one. Alright,